Hello friends, let's discuss today what is security. You know what? There's no one definition for the security. Security is awareness, security is protection, security may be common sense, security is presence of mind. Anything in the world which contribute to help us from bad things happening is security. So same fundamental will be applied to any sort of security. Even reason behind first security system invention was crime. In 1966, there were a lady, nurse by profession, living in Jamaica, Queen City, who thought they needed something in place so that people get alerted with crime happening. Name of the lady? Mary Van Britten Brown. Let's see something in cybersecurity, how we see security in a cyber world. Fundamental principles of security. In cyber world, we have three core principles which denotes how we can carry forward the security in real world. Actually, core goal of security in any kind of field, we can say these three principles or three core concepts will apply. The number one is confidentiality, number two is integrity, and the last one is availability. So let's discuss these all principles one by one. Let's start with the confidentiality. By the way, let me park my car and then I'll go to the study room and we'll start it from there. Keep in mind, I'm going to discuss only one feature today and rest will be discussed in the next videos. So let's discuss confidentiality. In simple terms, confidentiality is nothing but keeping your secrets secrets. Secrets might be with any form, for example, any sort of information, any sort of data, or any particular assets or valuable things. And if you want to share your secrets or your information or any sort of data with some authorized entity, you have to make sure you should share the secret in a separate way. There are too many models at present to keep your information secure, but as those methods made by someone who might know how to break them. Let me give you some real life examples which will help you to understand confidentiality in a better way. In United States, every citizen need to have SSN. SSN is nothing but social security number. Citizens can use SSN to show their identities. They have to use SSN to fill their taxes. Also like basic things like credit cards, driving licenses, green card. In fact, citizenship also demand SSN. So SSN number is very valuable. It need to be kept secret. It need not to be shown openly. If required, only authorized person should know about your SSN number, such as bankers and government entities. Another example will be your credit card's 4-digit number, which need to be kept secret. This 4-digit number only you can use when you need to do some transactions. You don't have to share it with anyone because it will create some financial loss for you. So guys, I have explained confidentiality principle in very simple term. In different sources, you can find different definition for the confidentiality. But as per my thought, confidentiality is nothing but keeping your things secret. And if you want to share that particular secret to someone, you have to use some authorized way or some way where your information should get transferred to the person who's actually authorized with you. Guys, please let me know if this video is informative for you. Please like, share, and write your comments.